Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about all of the dining options on the Caribbean Princess right after this. Hey everyone, Johnny from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to our channel. We are still getting this new studio set up here, so painted a little bit today, but now the light's a little bit weird. Who knows? So anyway, today we're going to talk about all of the dining options on the Caribbean Princess. AJ from our team was on this ship just a few weeks ago, and she did a Panama Canal cruise, so we're going to go through all of your dining options. Let's start first with complimentary things or things that are included in your cruise fare. First up on deck 5, you're going to have the International Cafe. So you're going to have small bites, some treats in there, and then of course you have your upscale coffees and things that you could pay for. The food there, however, is no cost. Next up, you have on deck 5, the Island Dining Room. This dining room serves dinner from 5:30 at night till 10 o'clock at night. 2 seatings. And then the Coral Dining Room, which is on deck 6, and they do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So breakfast is from 7 to 9 a.m., lunch from 12 to 1:30. They also do afternoon tea. And then dinner from 5:30 to 10. So you have a good idea of where you can go there. Next up is the Palm Dining Room. That is for suites and club guests only. That is also located on deck 6. Same menu, it's just a separate restaurant for them. Then we have a few more complimentary items. One is Slice on deck 15, which is your little grab-and-go pizza place. Also on deck 15, you have the Salty Dog Grill, which is kind of upscale, like burgers, chicken, and things like that. So it's a little bit higher end, not just like hamburger, hot dog. And then also on deck 15, you have your World Fresh Marketplace, which is your buffet dining room. So those are your included options. You can also get room service, obviously 24 hours a day. So let's talk about specialty, a la carte, and some really fun high-end dining opportunities. So on deck 5, you're going to have Vines, Wine, and Seafood Bar. So basically what you get here is if you pay for drinks, you get some complimentary sushi and tapas, which is really nice. So go in there, grab some wine, and you're going to get some snacks. Next up, the Crown Grill. So for lunch, it's a British pub. There's only a few things on the menu. You can get bangers and mash, fish and chips, the Plowman's Lunch, or the steak and kidney pie. And then for dessert, they have bread and butter pudding. And then obviously at the Crown Grill for dinner is a fixed price menu. Go in there and grab yourself, known for steak and chops, those type of things. Great dinner option. On deck 7 for specialty dining, you're going to have Sabatini's Italian Trattoria. That is the kind of standard restaurant on the standard specialty dining restaurant on the Caribbean Princess and on Princess kind of in general. For a la carte items, you're going to have Coffee and Cones up on deck 15, where you can get some specialty items. You're going to have Steamers, which is seafood and ramen up on deck 15, up on the pool deck there. And then Plank's Barbecue, which has a breakfast buffet, but is also additional for dinner, standard barbecue fare. So those are some fun specialty dining options. And then last but not least, we have 2 kind of really special items. One is Chef's Table, which I feel like all the different cruise lines have a good Chef's Table now. The Royal Caribbean one is amazing. We've done that on a few different ships. Enchantment, Oasis, and something else. I forget. But that's great. So this is a good one to try. And then they have something really cool, which is Ultimate Balcony Dining. It is a la carte, so it's going to be, but it is a fixed price. So you're going to get food, obviously. And you're going to have that out on your balcony, which I think is really incredible. It's a really nice option if you're on a cruise for a special occasion, or if you just want to splurge, right? So if honeymoons, wedding anniversary, birthday, something fun like that, you could do a really nice meal out on your balcony, which is really cool. So those are your dining options on the Caribbean Princess. What is your favorite dining option? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. We would really love for you to subscribe and become part of our community here. We really do appreciate it. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.